In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit automatic captions on LinkedIn. Adding captions to your videos not only makes your content more accessible, but also enhances viewer engagement. Let's dive right into the process. Start by opening up your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type linkedin.com and hit enter. Once you are on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to log into your account. You can either use your Google or Microsoft account for a streamlined login process or go the traditional route by entering your email address and password. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your identity. This will involve entering a code that's been sent to your phone, so make sure you have that device nearby. Once you are successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. Here, you should look for the video camera icon, which is typically located where you create new posts. By clicking on this icon, you'll initiate the video upload process. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can click on the Upload from Computer button to browse your device for the video file you wish to upload. Alternatively, if you have it at hand, you can simplify things by dragging and dropping the video directly from your Downloads folder into the uploader. Once your video is uploaded to LinkedIn, it's time to focus on setting up captions. Below your video, you'll see an icon labeled 200 for closed captions. Click on this icon to open the caption settings for your video. Now, an essential step here is to ensure that the Add Auto Caption switch is turned on. This feature is crucial as it automatically generates captions for your video, making it significantly more accessible to a larger audience. After confirming that the auto-captioning feature is activated, you'll want to apply these settings by clicking on the Apply button. Having done so, you can then proceed by clicking on Next to continue finalizing your post. This is your opportunity to make any additional edits, such as adding descriptions or tags, that you feel would enhance your post's reach and context. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring it aligns with how you'd like your post to appear. Once you're satisfied with the video and all the accompanying information, you can complete the process by clicking on the Post button. There you have it, your video, now equipped with automatic captions, is live on LinkedIn. Adding captions to your videos not only broadens your content's reach, but also enriches the viewing experience for everyone, including those with hearing impairments. So consider captions as a valuable tool for inclusivity in your LinkedIn video posts. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.